In this expression, we have three divisions, and when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to go from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So 1 divided by 6 and again divided by 6. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 6 can be written as 1 over 6. Then divided by 6. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 6 times 1 over 6, which equals 1 over 6 times 6 gives us 36. So 1 over 36. And this is our final answer to this problem.